Reverend Dr. Helm, Hawkenbuck Woods, but all right, little boy, you sure I can borrow your fishing pole? You gotta ease up a little bit. I said you gotta ease up a little bit. Let me borrow your fishing pole so them boys can have something to do. I tell a little boy, you been there and gone. I just tell him all.
Hey, Swamp Weed, where little number one coming from? Hey, Swamp Weed, where number one coming from?
You want to catch that big old brim. You got a fishing pole, you want to catch that great big brim. Hello, Swamp Weed, old number one is gone.
Oh, okay. I didn't know folks had changed the name. All right, well, let me get out of here. Hello to you, Swamp Weed, Mr. 549 is clear and gone. Yeah, 410. Well, you got his ears. I know I got little boy's ear. Hey, Swamp Weed, I know that I got little boy's ears and you got his ears. So there shouldn't be no catalytic problem. Hello, Swamp Weed, 0549 is clear. I see you. Oh dear. Well, I'm gonna stand by just like you. Take care, Swamp Weed, 549. I'm going back to the car. Bye-bye. Nighthawk. Hey, Nighthawk. 410, Roger, right on. 2017 way, Mr. Nighthawk, 549. I see you.
Hello, Nighthawk, Ronnie Sandbar, number one, waving, baby.
They come away smoking. Hey, Nighthawk, they come away smoking. 549 on the low, getting on down. Mississippi. Boy, you smoking. No doubt about it. Tell him Comaway did you a real good job, man. And I tip my hat to you and Comaway. Hey, Nighthawk, 549 is clear. You there?
Hey, Nighthawk, don't forget about your homeboy now. Hey, Nighthawk, don't forget about your homeboy there, bro.
Hey, Nighthawk, tell him you already forgot him. 410. Bye, Nighthawk. Hey, Nighthawk, I'm telling something back to the car. I see you. Nighthawk, your friend, long time friend, Mr. 549 is gone. Bye.
I'm about to stick the key to the door. Don't be clean.
Okay, the man from Poole, Mississippi, Nighthawk, you're doing your thing, no doubt about it. Hey, Swamp Weed, I heard you up in there, man, but you don't have to wait till California roll around. Swamp Weed, take care. Hey, Nighthawk, Cleveland, Mississippi, bye. Nighthawk, he's up in that department. He took charge. That's why I made the two soul control that key right there on that plug in. Hey, Nighthawk, you gotta keep your eye on him while you're working that Comaway, Swamp Weed. Bye. Swamp Weed. I had to wait on the man. Swamp Weed 549.